after the FAMAS, wala pa kaming pag-uusap
Okay.
with the production. Yeah, I already heard that news and we've released Ma'am Cheche, the president, and the FAMAS released already a hello
Statement. A statement.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're listening to
a
you,
statement.
Prof.
A statement about what happened.
We already read it, ano? And of course, yung buod nga lang po nun talagang inaako nyo naman po yung inyong inyong pagkakamali rito kumbaga sa nangyari on behalf of the production. Pero ano po moving forward na magiging aksyon bilang part po kayo ng FAMAS body na gagawin po ninyo to make sure na hindi na mangyari yung mga ganito? So far, ano na po na pag-uusapan?
Again, we don't have a conversation yet with the members of FAMAS, but rest assured, we will talk about that. We will raise that concern during our meeting after this event.
Kailan yung meeting nyo?
Mamaya lang po siguro or after
mamaya
this
lang
event.
agad.
Sa ngayon, nagpapahinga pa po yung ibang members natin and we are very thankful for the support and attendance of different celebrities.
Pero Prof Josh, ano po yung parang feeling ko I'm just sensing correct me if I'm wrong, parang you're exhausted ba? Is it connected upon hearing this news na what happened, nag-viral ang FAMAS because of this event?
I didn't feel any exhaustion, no, hindi naman, pero ganun talaga, may nangyayari pong ganyan, but then again, nag-release na ng statement ang FAMAS and we will raise that concern during our meeting.